I never knew. I just started flying drones 4 or 5 years ago. My first drone was a Parrot, and it was just for recreation hobby. And then my next drone is that I still have is a DJI Mavic Mini, and again just a hobby. And I just I signed up for this um, workshop and didn't have no idea that there's so much information, and I didn't know that there was so much potential with drones. And I'm looking so forward to learn more and hopefully move on and expand and hopefully start my own business. I love flying drones. I love taking pictures and video, and I'm so glad I signed up for this course. I'm trying to soak up all this information. It's a lot, but it's so worth it, and I recommend anybody who loves flying drones to sign up for this and do it. Yeah, thank you.